Hi, welcome back. Here we have October-November 2023, paper 2, variant 2-3. The diagram shows a cuboid ABCDEFGH. AB is given as 14 centimeter, BC 5 centimeter, and CG as 8 centimeter. M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of HG. Calculate BM. We need to find out the distance BM. Now, this is a 3D trigonometry question. So in 3D trigonometry question, whenever we solve 3D trigonometry questions, the only thing that what we need to do is identify the right triangle that we are considering, draw the right triangle outside, and then use your Sokotowa or Pythagoras theorem to find out whatever the missing side or missing angle is. So to find out what BM is, first of all, we need to identify the triangle that we need to consider, the right angle triangle that we need to consider. So when I say that BM, to find out BM, the right triangle that we have to consider is BFM. So we'll just draw this triangle BFM outside. So here we have something like this. I'm just trying to make it a normal right triangle. So here M, B, F. So BF, if GC is 8 centimeter, then BF is also 8 centimeter. And FM. FM, do we know FM? We don't know FM. We don't know MB as well. So we need to first find out what MF or FM is. So for that, what we can do is we can consider this right triangle FGM. So we'll just take that right triangle outside, that is FGM. So FGM is something like this. So here we have FGM. So if BC is 5 centimeter, then FG is also 5 centimeter. And we know that MG, HM, the whole thing is 14 centimeter and M is the midpoint. If AB is 14 centimeter, HG will also be 14 centimeter, and it's given that M is the midpoint. So this will be 7, this will be 7. MG will be 7 centimeter. Now, we can find out what MF is. We can use the Pythagoras theorem here. MF square is equals to 7 square plus 5 square. That is 49 plus 25. That is 74. So MF will be square root of 74. So square root of 74 will be 8.6, which is 8.6. So we got MF as 8.6. Now, the question was to find out what MB is. So here we got MF 8.6. Now we can find out. We have MF, we have FB. So MB square will be 8 square plus 8.6 square. So when we put this in calculator, you will get 138. MB square will be 138. Therefore, MB will be square root of 138. Square root of 138, the answer is going to be 11.75, approximately 11.75 centimeter will be the answer for MB. It was a 3-mark question. Now let's try the next part, the B part of this. Calculate the angle between BM that makes with the base ABCD. BM that makes with the base ABCD here. So as we discussed, we just have to find out the right angle triangle that we are going to consider. So to find out the angle MB with the base ABCD, the right triangle is gonna be this one. This is the right triangle that we need to consider. So I'll just label this as P. Take this as P. So MPB is the right triangle that we need to consider. So I'll just draw a normal right triangle. Here we have M, P, B. So the angle that is made between the line MB and the base, that is, this is the angle that we need to find out, basically, this angle theta. For that, if GC is 8 centimeter, then MP will also be 8 centimeter. And do we know? We know MB. We found out MB as 11.75 in the A part. So we got 11.75. Considering this angle theta, we have the opposite side, we have the hypotenuse as well. Opposite and hypotenuse, the trigonometric ratio is sine. So sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. So theta will be sine inverse of 8 over 11.75. So sine inverse of 8 over 11.75 is 42.9. So 42.9 degrees will be your final answer. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.